Using the stock market wisely, tips and advice for new investors. Whether you would like to work from home, supplement your income or put your finance degree to use, investing in the stock market has many benefits for anyone who chooses to participate. Watch this video for some great tips on how to pick stocks and make the most profits with investments. You have probably heard the saying, keep it simple. This holds true for a lot of things, even the stock market. Keep your investment activities, such as trading, making predictions, and examining data points, as simple as possible to ensure that you do not make any unnecessary risks on any stocks or companies without any market security. Like a lot of things in life, there is a risk involved with investing in the stock market. However, if you first invest your time in educating yourself about stock investments, you can minimize that risk. The first step in minimizing risks is to acknowledge that risks are involved. With education and research, it is possible to realize an annual return of 10 to 15% on your investment with very minimal risk. Never rely on hearsay, as following the crowd is often a recipe for disaster. When everyone buys the same stocks, the value will decrease and less people are going to buy it in the future. Think independently and do your own research, instead of solely depending on what others say. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Staying informed, determined and patient is very important for anyone who would like to invest in the stock market. Although it can be a very profitable venture, stubborn or inflexible people won't do very well. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can start profiting from the stocks today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.